The 26 hours intensive driving course is suitable for someone who has basic car control and understanding how to drive the car using all the controls and instruments. The 5 key skills needed for 26 hours intensive course are: Number 1. You have already taken 10 to 25 hours of driving lessons. Number 2. You can operate the car controls and instruments at satisfactory level. Number 3. You have good control of the car to move off smoothly and drive in straight line and able to stop. Number 4. You can do left and right turning at junctions with some accuracy. Number 5. You are not too nervous or have panic attack in light traffic conditions. At Driving Solution, we do our own intensive driving courses. Compare to other intensive course providers who act as an agent to find you a driving instructor and charge hundreds of pounds in commissions. Book direct with us and save. For more information or online booking, see our website www.drivingsolution.co.uk or contact us by phone or WhatsApp on 01604 454586 or find us on Facebook.